Arthur, why do you have a nut? You got a nut. Why are you standing there? You should be on your cage. I don't want your nut. Yeah, you can eat it right there. Good bird. You look plucked. Arthur is eating a nut. You can just stay and eat it there. Why do you want to come over to me? Look, here's Boo. Do you want to give it to Boo? Well, here, get it. If you guys are gonna get sexy,